She said that she will dance with me if I brought her red rose. But in all my garden, there is no red rose.
Here at last is a true lover,
said the nightingale.
The prince give a ball tomorrow night, and my love will be of the company. If I bring her red rose, she will dance with me till dawn. If I bring her red rose, I shall hold her in my arms, and she will lean her head upon my shoulders, and her hand will be clasped in mine. But there is no red rose in my garden, and I shall sit lonely, and she will pass me by. But with me she will not dance, for I have no red rose to give her,
cries the young student.
Why is he weeping?
Asked the green lizard.
Why indeed?
Said the butterfly.
he is weeping for red rose.
The red rose? How very ridiculous!
And the nightingale flew away to find red rose for the young student.
Give me a red rose, and I sing to you my sweetest song.
My roses are white, but go to my brother, and perhaps he will give you what you want.
And the nightingale flew again.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing to you my sweetest song.
My roses are yellow, but go to my brother who grows beneath the student's window. Perhaps he will give you what you want.
And the nightingale flew again.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing to you my sweetest song.
It's alright. And the winter has chilled my veins, and frost has nipped my buds, and the storm has broken my branches, and she shall have no red rose at all.
One red rose is all I want.
If you want a red rose, you must spit it out of music by moonlight, and stain it with your own heart's blood. You must sing to me with your breast against a thorn. All night you must sing to me, and the thorn must pierce your heart, and your lifeblood must flow into my veins and become mine.
Death is a great price to pay for a red rose. Yet, love is better than life. And what is the heart of a bird compared to the heart of a man?
And the nightingale soared into the sky.
Be happy,
Cried the nightingale.
be happy. You shall have your red rose. I will build it out of my music by moonlight, and stain it with my own heart's blood. All that I ask for you in return is that you will be a true lover.
The student looked up from the grass and listened, but he could not understand what the nightingale was saying to him. And when the moon shone in the heavens, the nightingale flew to the rose tree and set her breast against the thorn. All night long she sang with her breast against the thorn, and the cold crystal moon leaned down and listened. All night long she sang, and the thorn went deeper and deeper into her breast, and her lifeblood ebbed away from her. But the tree cried to the nightingale to press closer against the thorn.
Press closer, little nightingale, or the day will come before the rose is finished.
So the nightingale pressed closer against the thorn, and louder grew her song. And a delicate flush of pink came into the leaf of the rose, and the thorn touched her heart. and the marvelous rose became crimson, like the rose of the eastern sky.
Look! Look!
Cried the tree.
The rose is finished now.
But the nightingale made no answer, for she was lying dead in the long grass, with the thorn in her heart. And at the noon, the student opened his window and looked out.
Why, what a wonderful piece of luck! Here is a red rose. I have never seen any rose like it in all my life. It is so beautiful. I am sure it has a long Latin name.
And he leaned down and plucked it.
You said that you will dance with me if I brought you a red rose. Here is the reddest rose in all the world. You will wear it to the right next to your heart. As we dance together, it will tell you how I love you.
But the girl frowned.
I am afraid it will not go with my dress. Besides, the Chamberlain's nephew has sent me some real jewels, and everybody knows that jewels cost far more than flowers.
Well, upon my word, you are very ungrateful,
Said the student angrily, and he threw the rose into the street, where it fell into the gutter, and a cartwheel went over it.
Ungrateful? I tell you what, you are very rude. And after all, who are you? Why, I don't believe you have even got silver buckles to your shoes as the Chamberlain's nephew has.
What a silly thing love is! I shall go back to philosophy and study metaphysics.
So he returned to his room and pulled out a great dusty book and began to read. The end.